Noah owns photovoltaic panels and would like to self-consume more of his own electricity. Mia has detected her solar water heater is down, but doesn't know when the failure occurred. As for Tom, who is concerned about ecology, he would like to switch to solar energy, but his neighbour's experience makes him hesitant. Is it really profitable? The Météoptim box provides an innovative response to these various issues by a smart control of the hot water tank. It is definitely one of the main sources of energy consumption and a natural energy storage tool, which can be supplied either free of charge by the sun or by purchased electricity, if possible, during off-peak hours. But by using off-peak hours at night, if we start a beautiful sunny day with an unnecessarily hot tank, we partly deprive ourselves of this solar-free gain. Météoptim anticipates the solar input for the next day and injects the right amount of energy into the water heater every night. Using artificial intelligence, the box automatically learns personalized consumption habits. This allows to optimize solar gain while maintaining everyone's comfort. In the event of a failure, Météoptim detects that solar production is not in line with actual weather and alerts owners directly on their smartphone. By using our solution, Mia is now reassured and saved 30% additional electricity on her hot water production. Noah was able to increase his level of self-consumption from 50 to 70% and reduced the period of return on investment of his photovoltaic panels by 2 years. As for Tom, he took the plunge and opted for hybrid solar collectors. And you? What if you took control of your energy with Météoptim?